to do that, to have that. Of course, you are not gonna be here in the bedroom and do the rosary, okay? Do the rosary and pray for Hail Mary, Mother of God, you know? Especially if you're boyfriend or married couple. Um, don't do rosary. What you gonna do? There's nothing else to do here but boom boom, okay? There's nothing to do but boom boom. Okay. Venus is shy to say the secret of the moaning and I find it so difficult to do. Oh my god. How do you stop Mount Pinatubo when it is ready to erupt? I have no idea. Ay. Oy, Dines. Romel said you are shy. Ramel said. Ramel said you are shy. We keep that one in secret. I cannot keep it on secret because if it's too much so good that your eyes will okay, just kidding, guys. Okay, um it's just that you're not you are it's just a normal thing, I think. Normal. Mhm. So anyway, that is the thing. That is what it is. It is what it is. When Mount Pinatubo erupt, when? What are you talking about? I don't understand what you're saying. Okay, I don't understand what you're saying. Ramel, I don't understand what you're saying. Okay. Haha. Wait. Okay, to stop how when to stop that you have to say your timetable out load. Huh? 1 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. And so on. I don't get it. I don't get it, Dines. I just don't get it. When Mr. Pinatubo erupt. Wait. When Mount Pinatubo erupt, there is an explosion. Just like when you're making love, it is a kaboom. Okay. Ay. Okay, I thought you're talking about the two Pinatubo in front of me. I thought you're talking about the Pinatubo in front of women. Um, okay, now I understand. Yes, it gets erupted like a peanut, like a volcano. Okay, it's like a volcano. So that is what it is, guys. Okay, it's just I'm just being honest. Like I said, guys, in my live stream and in